Hello friends, welcome back to our brand identity design course. In this video, we will discuss how to use the width tool, the spiral tool, and the Pathfinder tool. But before that, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more videos like this. The width tool is a powerful feature for adjusting the thickness of strokes, giving lines a more natural, artistic, or stylish appearance. Open your Adobe Illustrator. Then select the width tool from the toolbar or press Shift W on your keyboard. Now create a path using the line segment tool, the pen tool, curvature tool, or shape tool. After creating the line or shape, apply a stroke to the path. Now select the path or the shape. Then with the width tool, over the path, you will see a small white dot where you can adjust the stroke width. Click and drag outward to increase the width or inward to decrease the width. Perfect. You can now see the amazing shape we created. Now let's discuss the spiral tool. The spiral tool is perfect for creating spirals with customizable tones, spacing, and styles. Open Adobe Illustrator, then select the spiral tool from the menu. Click and drag on the canvas to create a spiral. Hold Shift to constrain the spiral to equal proportions. You can also hold Alt or Option on your keyboard to draw from the center. Now you can release the mouse to set the spiral. To customize the spiral while dragging, before releasing the mouse, use these shortcuts. Up arrow to increase the numbers of the segments, or use the down arrow to decrease the number of segments. You can also use Ctrl on Window or Command on Mac plus drag to adjust the decay, which is the spacing between the tones. You can also use Alt plus drag to rotate the spiral direction. Lastly, let us discuss how to use the Pathfinder tool in Illustrator. The Pathfinder tool is an essential tool for combining, dividing, and manipulating shapes into complex design. Open the Pathfinder panel or go to Window, then Pathfinder to display the panel. Use the Selection tool to select two or more overlapping shapes. Then click on the desired shape mode or Pathfinder button to modify the shapes. Now, the Pathfinder panel consists of the shape modes at the top and the Pathfinders at the bottom of the menu. Under the shape modes, you will see the Unite, which combines the selected shapes into a single shape. The minus front subtracts the top shape from the bottom shape. The intersect retains only the overlapping area of the selected shapes, while the exclude removes the overlapping area of the selected shapes, leaving the rest of the design. Now let's look at the Pathfinder. The divide splits overlapping shapes into separate parts. The trim removes overlapping areas without splitting the shapes, while the merge combines the shape with the same fill color and removes overlaps. The crop shows only the area where the top shapes overlap with the bottom shape. The outline converts all parts of a selected shape into path, while the minus back subtracts the bottom shape from the top shape. If you find value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more videos like this. See you in the next video.